According to 30 rates, SUI may climb 1.5% by tomorrow. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. Based on the latest data, SUI has gained 0.1% since yesterday and is now near $0.6907. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. Tomorrow, 30 rates expects the price to reach $0.7016, a gain of approximately 1.5%. CoinCodex sees a path for SUI to reach $0.6925, implying a move up of 0.2%. CoinLore points out it could test the $0.6841 level lower, a downward move of 1%. A separate forecast by Traders Union shows SUI might edge down to $0.6805, a projected decrease near 1.5%. To conclude, CoinDataFlow sees $0.6684 by August 13, 3.3% lower. This is the most lucrative forecast we've seen. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. Looking at the entire range of predictions, the price movement could fall anywhere between a drop of 3.3% and a gain of 1.5%, depending on the analyst. This means CoinDataFlow comes in with the top forecast with 3.3% gain in value by tomorrow. After adding it all up, you could take in between $2 and $33 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, CoinCodex's forecast has a 82.9% likelihood of being right. With all forecasts compared, I formed a combined consensus scenario. The consensus perspective places SUI at about $0.6854. Here's how it looks in detail. The consensus projection places the price down about 0.8%. That outcome means your capital could also register growth of 0.8%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $8 gained. And according to the combined outlook, this consensus view for SUI comes with a 78.2% probability. To continue, let's examine the short-term 3-day expectations. 30 rates points to a flat trajectory for SUI. CoinCodex describes the near-term path as bearish. The short-term forecast from CoinLore points to calm conditions, with SUI likely to stay close to where it is now. Also, Traders Union emphasizes that the near-term path looks steady, with no significant change expected. CoinDataFlow believes the chart points to a decline. The consensus view points to SUI moving lower over the next 3 days. So, 80% of perspectives project SUI trending downward. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's move. In the end, the trading session closed at $0.693. Just 2 forecasts captured the true direction. The tightest forecast was produced by Traders Union. Now it's time to see the outcome more closely. 3 forecasts stayed in yesterday's trading range. In terms of ROI, every forecast was positive and CoinDataFlow led overall. Here's the daily summary, how every forecast actually worked out. As indicated in the data, 30 rates achieved 2% ROI and accuracy. Take a moment and think, who came closest this time? And now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns for SUI and a small group of other coins. The leader in tomorrow's profitability outlook is AVE at 1.9%, with SUI positioned below. At the moment, you can see just 5 coins, and a more detailed return comparison is already published on my website. Stay ahead of the crowd. Subscribe to see new moves before they unfold. See you next time.